Hi, in this video we are going to learn about the usage of props in React.js, how we can use the props in the pages and how the value can be passed from one page to another page. Actually, in the last video we have described about the state usage, and the state can be used in the same page and the values can be reused it, but the props can be used from one page to another page. So in this example, we are going to see how the values is passed from one page and how that value is used in another page. First page is main page. In this main page, I have passed the ID to the child page. So for that, child page has to be imported in the main.js page, and call that value and give some variable name for that value. Like here I have declared ID and passed that ID value in this ID name. Now we can go to next page, that is childview.js page. In this page, that previously declared value can be used by using this .props.id like this. So from one page to another page we can pass the value and the same value can be used in another page. In this example, I have used this ID to fetch the value from the grid and populate it in the model pop-up. So for that I need ID. So based on that ID only I can able to open the pop-up and show the values in the pop-up. In future videos, I will explain you about how to append the values in the data grid and how we can use the edit, delete and open the pop-up by using the IDs, and how we can show the values for editing the values records. Those things I will explain in the future videos. So this is the way we can use the props from one page to another page. State can be used in the same page and props can be used in different page like the web.net application. Please like our video, share and subscribe and support us. Thanks for watching. Thank you.